this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today, I'm going to upgrade my titanium EDC pouch. That's right, I have a pouch full of pocket jewelry made from titanium. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description, or join as a base camper member. I did a video on this pouch some time ago, so do check out the link in the card above or the description below. And recently I looked back at it because I do use some of these items, not necessarily with this full loadout, but I thought I should actually improve on this. And the time was right because a company called Ant Design reached out to me. This is a firm out of Hong Kong, and they design EDC gear, specifically pocket-sized tools and different useful items for EDC. Now, I have not opened these except peek into one of them. So this is a true unboxing. So I'm going to open them up, we'll have a look at the items, and then I'll see how I can trick out my titanium EDC pouch. Let's start with the first one. This is the Pathfinder version 2. It is a keychain multi-tool. This is the titanium version, and it comes in various versions. So there is the titanium version. You can see there's brass, tie, damascus, and model A. So model A and B are different. I actually got both models, which is pretty cool. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. I'm going to use my Swiss Army knife. This is the weighter with titanium scales. I'm just going to do that so I don't break the box. And inside the packaging, we have the items over here. Okay, this is the item itself. We also have got some small items. It's a keyring and some screws. And that looks like a mini hex tool. I'm sure to probably open up scales or stuff like that. And we've got some extra blades because there is an art craft sort of blade within this tool. Let's open this up. That's pretty nice. Now I must say the finish is very well done. So machined very nicely. I believe this is probably out of a block of titanium. And it's a multi-tool because we got a pry bar over here, cap lifter, ruler in inches and millimeters. It's a file. This is the blade or the knife. Extremely sharp, of course. There is a pocket clip. And that's about it. Except in this particular model, if you can see, there's actually a hex, kind of a hole, and that's for a bit. Now, it doesn't come with a bit, but you can use any standard hex bit that fits inside. Not sure if it's supposed to be magnetic, but nothing is sticking here. Let's see if we've got anything else made of metal. Doesn't seem magnetic. So I guess you just use gravity if you need. So depending on the bit you have, you do that. And you can use that as a little driver. So pretty useful and very small. This tool is, we're talking about 2.5 inches long. And maybe about ½ an inch high and wide. So it's really small and of course really light, but it feels really solid. Now typically I would never say carry a pry bar, but when it's integrated in a tool and something as small as this, I'm fine with that. I can close my eyes and it can probably come in useful. So that's pretty nice. And this is a key ring, I believe, so that you can thread it through the holes there and you can put your keys on it, and extra screws, I believe. So that's where this comes in. Put that in. Yeah, unscrew that to replace the blade, I believe. Yeah. Pretty nice, neat package. Let's put this off to the side, move this here. Let's have a look at the other one. So this is the Pathfinder version 2, but this is the B version or beta version. So it's slightly different because it doesn't have the hex hole. Let's pull that out. Again, we have the spare blades. Again, you get the keyring, and so you get the same accessory, so it's virtually the same. Let's open this up. Okay, so the difference is really here. You can see no hex hole. There's an Ant Design logo there. And this basically is a quick release. So you could take that keyring, put it around here, and put your keys to this, and this locks on like that, and that's really solid. So that's good. So if you really want to use this, all you need to do is to pull down these levers and it disengages from the keyring, and now you can use it as a dedicated tool. That's actually pretty useful, because something like this, if you put the keyring on and your keys are on, when you use it, you would have to kind of hold your keys in place as well. So that's a small detail, small touch, but I can see the difference. So if you are thinking of buying this, the Pathfinder version 2, consider if this hex bit driver is important to you, or is it more important to be able to detach it from your keyrings, and then choose the right one. Now, both of these are the same price, and I believe they're going at $49 US now, but if you sign up on their website, you can get a discount. So the links to their website and their socials will be in my description for this video, so do check it out. So I've got 3 more items over here. Let's check out one at a time. So quality EDC, innovative designs, play. So it's just a bit of branding over there. Okay, this box doesn't tell me what's inside, so it's kind of like a mystery box, kind of a surprise. So let's pop that open and see what we have here. Oh, there are 2 items in this box. I know I requested for different things after looking at their catalog, but I have no idea what they're sending me. As you can see, everything is just nicely wrapped and packaged, which is always very nice. Okay, let's open this one first if we can. And what is this? This is a titanium whistle, very nicely made as well. You can put it on your keychain with a keyring. I'm just going to give it a blow, not too loud. Yeah, I'm sure it can go pretty loud. So very nice to have. Actually, I do have a whistle in my pouch, but I can always upgrade. This is a Nightcore version. You can see it's a square in design, so maybe just to give that nice roundness to match the rest of the gear, I can switch this out. So that's nice. Let's have a look at this over here. If we can open it. That's a level. Very nice. Again, another keychain too you can add on. I don't know how often I use levels. I mean, I do use them especially when installing furniture and stuff, but very cool, very nice to have. Almost looks like some kind of special chemical hidden inside here. Very nice. All right, let's have a look at another box. Well, I'm wondering if I have 2 items in each box. Okay, this one just seems like 1 item. And this is a compass. Really nice button style compass. And I can imagine it's going to be really strong. So we normally get these sort of button compass made of plastic, very fragile. This is obviously with titanium casing. Once again, with the ability to put a key ring. Doesn't come with it, so I guess you have to use your own. Very nice as well. One more box, one final box. Let's open this up. And this is a pill capsule. So it should unscrew somewhere. Look, the milling is done so well, I can't even see where the opening is. Does it pull open or does it unscrew? Okay, I feel something. Let's, it's right here at the top. So there's a plastic O-ring, so this is likely going to be waterproof. And there's a pill capsule for you to put pills, but if you know, and if you watch my Swiss Army knife video for an urban setup for my compact, I have a pill capsule made of stainless steel where I put various useful items inside, in my case thread. And I could do the same thing. Maybe I could switch this out or maybe add it to another knife. Very nice in titanium. One final item, and this is a pair of titanium tweezers. Well, I do have tweezers over here with the Swiss Army knife, but these are much bigger and thicker. Can be used for different purposes. Overall, an awesome bunch of tools from Ant Design. Great set of pocket tools. Now just look, compare them to my hand, compare them to this 84mm Swiss Army knife. You can just see how small those items are. These really are great keychain tools. They look really solid, feel solid, very elegant, and you can customize them in certain ways. Like I believe they do have a tritium strip that you can add in right here. I didn't request for that, but you can. You buy it separately, and that basically glows in the dark. And you can find that easily, so I guess that's if you need to look for it in the dark. So great set of stuff. Now I'm going to think how I'm going to use them and see how I can incorporate them into my titanium EDC loadout. I've chosen the titanium items to upgrade my kit. By the way, this pouch is from Viper 8, it's the V10. I've done a video on this previously as well. I've got a titanium Velcro patch as well as this EDC hank. Now I'm not really into EDC hanks, but because this is a titanium themed one, I thought I got to have it just to complete the kit. And let's have a look inside. And I've chosen quite a few of the items. I've got the tweezers here, so it's safely tucked there. On the Swiss Army knife, I've added that pill capsule. So I haven't put anything inside, so I'm still figuring out what I want to put inside, but at least I now have something I can hold inside. And then I have put this, and I've switched out the Nightcore titanium whistle, and I put the Ant Design one in, as well as the compass and the Pathfinder V2. Comes, the way I've done it is to have it on this detachable kind of a cord. So now the little mini survival kit, because I've got the compass, the whistle, and this own mini multi-tool, which I can remove just like that. So I think that's really convenient, neat to have, good to have. And this of course is what I call a lifestyle EDC kit. It is functional, but definitely veers on lifestyle, probably towards luxury. Can't imagine what happens if I lose this kit. But do check out Ant Design. I think they make high quality stuff, and if you like that pocket-sized keychain tools, I think you'll definitely find something that you like. Well, let me know what you think of the newly upgraded titanium EDC loadout. Yay or nay? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.